Today on General Kung Pao Chicken. Hey YouTubers, good morning, it's Robb Moffett. Guys, thanks for watching. I've got about, I think there's 5 billion videos on YouTube and about 30 million channels. So the fact that you're watching my video today is pretty special. You know, last couple of weeks ago, last month, I did a video in it. I said if anybody has, any of my viewers, if they have something they're working on, if they want to send me a photograph, I'd be happy to post it. Like whatever people are making that are watching my channel, the creators, it could be anything. Or if they have a channel that they don't have a lot of views and they think that maybe my other viewers would be interested in watching their channel, send me a 30-second video of why my viewers want to watch your channel, or just send me some photographs of stuff you're making, and we'll post a video next month, which is this month, July. And one person, it's quality, not quantity, guys. One person, pretty cool person, Al Freeman at Quazie Wabbit. This was my video last month. They said, hey guys, send me some stuff and we'll make a video next month and show other people. So that's what we're doing this video. We're going to show you the one person that sent me in some information, Al Freeman at Quazie Wabbit. He's got a channel. And believe it or not, the guy's only got 29 freaking subscribers. I mean, nothing wrong with that, but he's got great videos. He doesn't make a lot of videos. He's not a video maker, not yet. But he's very creative, very talented. He got a lot of technical information. He also has his own forum on windmills. We'll go to that real quick. And I think he's got over 2,000 forum members. It's still active. He's got other stuff going on. Where's the active topics? On his forum, he's got microcontrollers, electric vehicles, lots of windmill stuff, all sorts of things, solar ovens and so on. So you want to check out his forum. But let's get back to his channel. He doesn't have a ton of videos, and most of them are windmill videos. He does serious windmills, and he does really cool optical illusion.
Keep your eye on the center of the 2 rings, it'll drive you cuckoo.
Isn't that cool? Isn't that cool?
Really a son of a gun to build. Very difficult. Took all day. But, done now.
He's also got a video I liked a lot on solar ovens on the cheap. He made a couple of them, and one he used the turkey bag I hadn't seen anybody do before. Kind of cool. And all sorts of other different windmills. He's got a remote control, a land yacht toy, and all sorts of gadgets. And so he's not one of those people that just makes videos. He likes to make things, and he's getting into making videos. But so I think he needs some more encouragement, if you ask me. I think you guys want to check out his channel and subscribe to him and give him a shout and let him know what you think about his videos. And because I think that's part of the problem on YouTube. There's 30 million channels and 5 billion videos, so it's hard for people to get any recognition or traction for what they're doing. And I think this is a person that could use some attention from YouTube for the stuff he's doing. And check him out and tell him Rob sent you. Alright guys, that's the video for today. And next month, going to do the same thing in August. If somebody sends me photographs of stuff they're making, it could be anything. Legal. Won't get me kicked off YouTube. And if you've got a channel you think would be like this one, be interesting to my other subscribers, you all know my subscribers are like, they're just like you. If you like it, then somebody else will too. So send me a 30-second video. This is why the subscribers on my channel might check out my channel, and we'll see if we can't put it up next month in August. And go to cdbob at bellsouth.net. I'll have up here somewhere, I'll have the link to the email place where you can send me stuff, photographs and short videos, and we'll see what happens next month in August. If nobody sends me anything, that's okay too. We're just trying to spread the love here on YouTube.
Hell yeah!
And y'all keep on making stuff and see you out there. Thanks, Quazie. Thanks, Al. It was a pleasure looking at your stuff on your channel and subscribing. Hope you get a lot more. Take care. See you out there.